Yeah, people. So China in the dancing world big, you know. So well, I could get in this whole thing about the female them and the dancing world and thing now. So your crew, you're more inspired with Rebel TC. Who are your crew? Did I say your crew in the dancing thing?
None of them like that.
Okay, you move solo?
Just move solo.
But if you go around, you're going to dance, you heal up.
Yeah, me heal.
Yeah.
And you know we are all human beings and nobody no more than nobody.
Right.
We are all human beings now.
Right. So, enough time, like a feud happen though, dancer and dancer. They like each other. So it start out itself how them things they go more time.
Alright, don't sometimes it start out.
Yeah.
But a lot of bad mind out there.
Yeah.
And the earliest thing me hate for see when a girl a bad man and I see a Mercury.
Yeah.
I see him in just show there.
She a promotion.
We're there in the same thing.
Yeah.
We're supposed to look out for each other. We're not supposed to fight, a cuss, a have up one another. We're supposed to look out for one if a man go mess with who hurt him.
Right. But
them not good,
them not unified.
Them not good that.
So you want more, you'd love to see more unity.
But I like to see more of that.
Amongst the female them. Yeah. So so that means enough time I'm gonna go out then I'm gonna sit up a female and I say it's not all good.
It's not all good. Them just me is a pretender myself. Yes,
I'm not pretending not good.
Yes, if me no say me no good, me good. Yes, when we work over, I got me yard.
Yeah.
No beef, so I pretend with that to the whole time.
Right.
Me are the best friend because I see a Mercury do. Yeah, make your money, me I make my money. I'm not supposed to watch your pocket, I'm not supposed to watch my pocket.
True.
We're supposed to care about making that money and going in safe.
True.
You understand that's all.
But I said if you're a backer girl and another backer girl, if you want to get more tip, them a bad man you can get more tip than them.
Well, it better not tell nobody. The only way better not tell nobody.
And if them see it. The sister you get a big thing.
Why?
I have to hide it.
You have to just do what you have to do.
Yo. So anything you want to talk about in terms of
the dancing?
Yeah, man.
Does the disrespect them with man?
Yeah.
Like the disrespect with man is it's serious to a different level.
Right.
You tell them say you don't do that, they want to force it by you.
Yeah.
We get disrespectful, get disrespectful wally, but a different level, it don't make sense.
So that's why I say I better the female them come together and unite.
And just unite because we don't already get disrespect by a man. Why you don't already want to put fire more fire?
Yeah, true.
And we don't already get disrespect.
True.
We have to watch your drink, make sure no man no put nothing in it. We have to do this, we have to do that.
So you ever, without calling no name, you know a female will ever get drugged already?
A lot.
So one of the stories.
And I have to be around them.
So not to bring her hospital?
No, never reach that far, but me have to be backbone. Wall up.
So you
make
no
sure,
man take her away?
Yes, because I'm that type of person. I'm not going to say a person drunk. If a person drunk, I will stay sober.
Right. You know
so
about
make sure she alright, she reach home.
Yeah.
Or something. I'm not a mess up person.
Right. You know, make nothing bad happen to her.
No, because I'm here, you go up on the road and I'm near the one location. I hear say brown in the day and brown in this year.
Yeah. Because same thing again you say you need the unity because enough girl now laugh after the next girl. And make man gone with her.
Exactly.
And laugh when the man gone with her too. You say she get raped, laugh again.
Because you don't like the person.
Yeah. Them never good.
Them
never good. But you not stay so you
no.
I just say you watch when you see a girl start move, get it edit.
And a lot of them can talk about that. But with me, I'm that type of girl. Me will make sure you're good, good, check by you. When my sister you're good, they tell me you're good, me I check by you.
Because when I realize enough time I'm a girl drunk and you see her move so.
She have some stress.
Yeah.
She go through some things.
I just say them drug her, drop a pill in her drink.
you would have feel like them do that too, but enough time woman I go through them stress say don't.
She come at work now.
And she come at work and she drink
take it out from the
and then she just lost in her thoughts and her ways and she just want somebody there for hold them up.
Hold them up, that's true.
But me, I go back, as I'm telling you,
your eyes are the one where
I'm always the one where I go.
You not make nothing to your co-worker.
Nah, I make nothing.
Yeah, because you said the easiest time for a man take them way.
Yeah, one when time, you're drunk, easy.
I have Negril already, beach party at Negril. I'm going to go down at the beach by myself just to breeze out. I'm going to see like 5 set of girl and one of them drunk. I'm going to jug them jug her too. I know the other 4 just left her up on the beach and them gone back into the party. I'm going to say, brother gone over like a rabbit. Come off her gone. I know she don't know, so she just get raped.
Not that type of person.
Yeah.
I'm the one for myself, I'm not go.
Yeah.
Others, you understand?
So females out there don't left on a friend them stranded when them need them the most.
No, it's not gonna make no sense.
Yeah.
And to the man, when we saw with all the business, we don't come like we don't want to come kill we. Because we have penny for go home for go too.
Yeah.
Every minute, you don't feel like everybody do business.
They're not take no for your answer.
They're not take the no. And then if you understand, so there's different type of dancing. You have regular,
right.
You have mesh topless, you have raw topless, you have freaky girls, you have show girls, there are a lot of different ways and tuning and things, and I just one level you feel like everybody has same thing.
Yeah.
You have business girl, you have all type of things.
You have girl with got topless but she not sell.
She not sell.
Yeah, she just that night there, she'll make her money serve the topless but
but she not serve things.
So Jamaican man will quick for assume say everybody has sell.
Everyone at the girl in. Everyone at the girl in.
At the same.
One man almost fight me already, I'm not ask Christ more to give him to him. But I give it to him, come look at him and tell him say, I want to fight me, the girl in me now would have beat you.
Yeah.
The whole of the girl in me now would have beat you. You don't believe
me? Give up.
The whole of the girl in me now would have beat him. The whole of the girl in me would have beat him that night.
Yes, I made them beat him.
I'm just still going to look. Just still going to look.
What's when a man drunk and liquor, he not take no. But him not take no for answer. I take him money.
I just picked up with my friend. Alright time.
Yeah, so men don't think because a girl is a waitress and she do look a topless dancer.
And then come with a big car and a big this and feel like you can't frighten me. I'm not frightened for that. Because anything where you have me can have even more.
True.
Anything. The world is very big for the both of us.
Upon Shensia did that do waitress first.
Yeah.
I know big artists, so
yeah.
You know?
You don't know when you're down the road where your life line.
Yeah, true.
You don't know.
True. Yeah man. So again, big up China. You don't know. But guess for today, she make you know what go on with the terms of the women them and thing. And we're gonna do it again, man.
Alright.
Trust me.
Alright.
Say a word. Up people.
That never was so long.